Ralph here. Quick mailbag today. I've already opened them, unfortunately. So yeah, that goes that one. Right, I've been told that I need to get flux. So I bought myself a pot of flux. There she goes. Going back again. Yeah. Help with the soldering. Now I'm going to need this for that. Now if you can't see in the bag, this is a chip for my Xbox. The original Xbox. I'm going to get it chipped, get it stuck with a bigger hard drive, which I need to do a What's in the Hard Drive episode, which is a drawer full of hard drives over there. So well, there's an LED on it. That's a bit bloody useless. It's an LED on a board that you're going to fit in that way around on a... So you're never going to see it. Okay. Got this from a guy up here. Took 2 days. Well, yeah, lightning fast delivery. Very impressed with it. Comes with the customary yeah, roll of the video. Pins to go on the board. I'll get that done this. I might do this either today or this weekend. I've also got this for the Xbox as well, which is one of the breakaway cables. It's only a 2 meter length cable, but yeah, the controller I have got is absolutely crap. So I'm that doesn't fit in there, does it? What does it? Pillock. Yeah, controller I've got is so wrapped up, and to be honest, the other 2 controls that I did, the Competition Pro ones, got rewired, and I thought, well, why not? Let's see what's what. And worst case, I can get another one of these if I wanted a really, really long cable, 4 meter long cable. So, yes. The only thing I'm missing so far on mailbag is that I need a new power source for this, and I found one on eBay. It's a variable one, but it's a bigger, which will do 22 volts, which is what I need for this. I do wish I understood all the transformers and stuff and be able to get one that's exactly what I wanted anyway, but I can't. So I've ordered 22. I think it regulates between 16 and steps up to 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So it should do well for this. But I just need to be able to, because I can keep this cable, which isn't too far off. Well, it's a mile off that, isn't it? But still, I know what loadout these are. There's 222 volts, a ground and a signal. I can get this, hopefully, the other one, this wired up straight onto it. That looks like it's just a, yeah, it's a disc for interference. So I can just get this wired straight up to it, and hopefully the 22 volts should be able to power up the Ambra, which is on a bookshelf behind me, and see if that thing works. If not, then I'm going to have to other options on charging the new battery up that came with it. Because if you remember, the old one was absolutely knackered. And yeah, see where we go from there, to be honest. Not really much else to say, to be honest, I don't think. But that's it, that's just a mailbag project for the Xbox. And yeah, even for the Xbox. So yeah, I think that's about it really, but that's what I'm going to do in probably now, tomorrow. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, Patreon, donate, yada yada. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video.